Hello, welcome to this Quantum GIS FOSS for G webinar training. In this 5-hour webinar training, we also have at 5 p.m. every day of the training a hands-on exercise that can be performed on TeamViewer. All the trainers for this training program, PK Sinha, Ramamurthy, Nageshwaran, and myself, Ravi Kumar, we all worked at the Geological Survey of India Training Institute. We are well versed with GIS and open source GIS in particular. So I wish you all a very good training and we do our best. Thank you very much.
Namaskar, my name is B. Nageshwaran and I take great pleasure in welcoming all of you to this FOSS4G training program organized by Sri Ravi Kumar. I retired as a DDG from Geological Survey of India. I started my career as a geologist in general geological mapping, then moving on to geotechnical investigations, and I have worked in various parts of the country. I was a project director of OCBAS, an ambitious program of GSI aimed at digitizing and computerizing all the activities of GSI, including technical and administration. And also, I have worked in GSI Training Institute as a faculty and as a director. And during my stay in Training Institute, I have been involved myself in various training activities in digital data processing. And during that time, I have handled proprietary as well as open source softwares. Now I find open source softwares have come at par with the proprietary ones for professional use. So now, for this training program, we have selected Quantum GIS, which is a free and open source GIS package for introducing to you the basic concepts of GIS. And I am happy to be one of your trainers in this endeavor. And I hope you will have a very fruitful and very good time in this training program. And I wish you all the best and take care of yourself. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody, I am Praveen Kumar Sinha. I served Geological Survey of India in capacity of being a geologist from 1986 to 2019. I retired in 2019 as a Deputy Director General. I had an opportunity to work in a geoinformatics project since 1997, and thereafter I worked in several geoinformatics projects. I had an opportunity of being a faculty of a training institute, GSI, and in that process, during that period or tenure, I had imparted my knowledge in GIS to my fellow colleague and trainees from universities. Sometimes, very occasionally, foreign nationals also. In 2005, Mr. Ravi Kumar Vanduvalli has introduced me in free and open source softwares and thereafter I switched over from ArcGIS, a robust GIS, to open source software only. I worked in OpenJump. I prefer to work in OpenJump GIS. So I had a little knowledge of QGIS, but in last 4 days I experiment with its tool, and now I am confident, and with that confidence I will be explaining you the different processes. Thank you very much.
Namaskar, a warm welcome to this online training program on some aspects of GIS using Quantum GIS. I am Ramurthy, a retired director from Geological Survey of India. I have been associated with geological mapping, some mineral investigations, and geospatial technologies during my service in Geological Survey of India. I was associated with the Training Institute, imparting trainings in various application softwares in GIS, remote sensing, and presently after my retirement, with the inspiration of Mr. Ravi Kumar, I am associated with Open Source Geospatial India. In the process, we have conducted several training programs in various universities and organizations, particularly in open source geospatial technologies. In this training, I'll be discussing about some aspects of map composition, map making. So ultimately, GIS, you will be collecting the data, you will be digitizing the data, you'll be giving attribute information to geometries and analysis. At the end, you'll be needing some some maps, thematic maps, whatever theme it may be, thematic maps. Since all the layers will be theme-based layers, so you'll be integrating and making a map. So how to make a map in QGIS, I'll be discussing those aspects, and wish you all the very best, because Quantum GIS is an excellent software. It can do all the things which can be done using proprietary softwares like ArcGIS and other GIS softwares, and it's very user friendly. And please, after a training program also, try to practice this, and you'll really enjoy it. Wish you all the best. Good luck.